Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, the AutoCAD Full Course 2019, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use the wipeout command right here. Now, as usual, there are several ways to access this command, just by clicking on draw on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then the tool palettes, or just by typing it on the screen as we learned in the last videos. Now before I click on the icon, I'm just gonna draw something simple, rectangular, then I'm gonna hatch it just like that. Now I'm gonna click on the icon or the wipeout command. Simply, the idea of the wipeout command is covering an object that you don't want to see with a shaded area. Now after clicking on the icon, he's gonna ask you to specify the first point, then the second, then the third, then the fourth, then to make a closed area to be shaded. Now I'm going to specify the first point, then the third, the second, the third, then the fourth, and I'm going to click on enter. Now this is the shaded area, and you may ask, why would I use a wipeout? A wipeout simply helps you with printing. If you want to print a drawing but you don't want to see a simple or a specific certain objects, you can then just wipe them out. Another way to draw or to use the wipeout command, simply by using the rectangular. If you draw a simple rectangular, then click on the wipeout command, then click on the polyline right here. He's gonna ask you to select an object. By selecting the rectangular, he's gonna ask you if you want to erase the rectangular or you just want to keep it. I'm gonna erase it. Then he's gonna wipe the area, the closed area of the rectangular out, just like that. That was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.